Dr. Ende again discussing follicular unit hair transplant and hairline lowering. Now, we've talked about this patient already. This is an upcoming newsletter coming out in February 2013, one of my patients who underwent follicular unit hair transplant surgery. And we discussed that you could either use a hairline lowering or you can use follicular unit hair transplant. But what kind of follicular unit hair transplant would you want to use on this patient? Well, the quickest and easiest way to do it is using the strip. We take a strip of hair from the back of the head and prepare it under the microscope with my experienced hair technicians, and then insert it into the correct areas in the recipient area. The question also comes up, well, couldn't you do this with a scarless technique, with follicular unit extraction, basically extracting single follicular units and then either trimming them down or not trimming them down depending on your needs, and then just putting them in the recipient area. That is absolutely a possibility for this patient. With the several thousand hairs that I had to put in order to give this patient an excellent result, as you see in these pictures, follicular unit extraction would have to take more than 1 day to get this result. Certainly a little more expensive as well, or a lot more expensive because of the time commitment from me in performing these procedures. But absolutely an option. I do a lot of follicular unit extraction as well as follicular unit hair transplant using the strip technique, and we can certainly discuss both options. Both are appropriate for most patients. But it certainly depends on how short you want your hair and a lot of other factors involved with follicular unit extraction that you should check on my website.